Hey guys, Nicole with your Insurance Minute. And this week I want to talk about when you should file a claim either for your auto or your home. So if you are involved in an accident and the damages are really close to what your deductible amount is, probably wouldn't want to file that claim. If you are able to pay it out of pocket, definitely go that route, because having too many claims is going to affect your premium amount and also your eligibility for your home and your autos. So if you are able to handle paying just that little extra out of pocket because it's just so close to your deductible, definitely go that route. Having too many claims is going to make you ineligible with certain carriers and also drive your premiums higher. So think of insurance as just there to help safeguard against big catastrophic financial issues or losses that you wouldn't be able to recoup. So that's why you just have to pay your deductible on it. So that's my tip for you this week. Please make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.